to tell you that this is going to be our last video with poor video quality. So we've been saving up for a while, and one thing that we really wanted to do this wintertime was really save up and help bring you guys higher quality, better YouTube videos, better pictures, better audio. So a couple weeks ago we bought the Blue Yeti microphone that's really going to help us improve our audio quality for all of our YouTube videos, for our voiceovers when we do trips, make them a little bit more entertaining, that sort of thing. So we finally saved up enough, got a little bit of extra funding, and we bought a brand new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. So this bad boy is really going to help us get a lot better video quality and a lot better audio. So let's take a look, see what's inside the box. Alright, let's dig into this and see what's really inside. Got all of our user manuals and warranties and all that fun paperwork stuff. Here is what we've been waiting for. So this right here is our new Canon G7X Mark II. Shoots 1080p, 60 FPS. Takes excellent quality pictures as well, so we can get some really good pictures out there. Get them on our Facebook. One of the reasons why we bought this is because we can flip up the back screen and we can do our videos and still see what we're shooting. So that way we're not guessing. So when we do a lot on trips and we do a lot of the actual blogging out in the field and on adventures, we can actually see what we're taking video of. So that's pretty slick. It's got a touch screen. Man, I'm excited to use this. I'm really excited to get in and do some really cool videos with it.